Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jedrick Vitalia of grade 9 Tandang Sora. I will do fita canapé recipe. Here is our ingredients. Fita biscuit, tuna flakes, tomato, mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Now, let's do this simple recipe. Soak the tuna flakes. In a bowl, add the tuna flakes and the mayonnaise. Salt and pepper. Put your desired amount of tuna at the top of the fita biscuit. Start to add tomato. This is our finished product. This is fita canapé recipe.